Hello children, good morning. We are meeting after a long time. Now I am going to give you one news, that is we are going to have our S7 exams within a short time. For that I am going to explain the syllabus. Already we have got it. Understand? Same thing I am going to explain you. What are the lessons, how you are going to get, etc. Then I will write the model paper on the blackboard, which you already got. I just explain the headings. Then on tomorrow onwards I am going to start the notes revision part, which you are going to write in your notebooks and learn them seriously. So take everything seriously now, because it is your essay time. Online exams will be starting. You are going to write them in A4 size papers. You are going to write the exams in A4 size papers with name, class, section, everything in detailed way. You are writing the headings, everything that I am going to explain you before the exam. But you are writing, one thing you remember, you are writing the exams in the A4 size papers. Okay. So first let us discuss the syllabus mentioned or meant for your S7 exams. Let us start with our English. Okay. For 4th class syllabus for S7 English, we have lessons 2, 3, 4 and 5, only 4. Second lesson is along the yellow brick road. Second one, third one is Clever Tenali Raman. Fourth is Marching Towards Freedom. And fifth is The Little Genius. So, your 4 lessons, which are they? First one, the second, third, fourth and fifth. First lesson is deleted. Dawn Quixote is deleted. Second lesson, Along the Yellow Brick Road. Third lesson is Clever Tenali Raman. And fourth lesson is Marching Towards Freedom. And fifth lesson is The Little Genius. Only these 4 lessons you have, whatever I taught you. Like your paper would be very simple, no tension. What all we taught, like question answers, answer in detail, or small answers, who said to whom, like that questions, short answers. Understand? Then lesson backside exercises, what all you have got. We have done them in the class also. We have done them in the class also. We have done them with explanation. No problem. Again we are doing it with explanation when I start your revisions. Okay. This is all about English. And now this is about social studies. Social studies also we have 1, 2, 3, 12 and 13 lesson. Okay. Social studies also we have 1, 2, 3, 30, 12th and 13th lesson. First lesson, our country India we have. Second, India, the great Himalayas we have. Third, India, the northern plains we have. So first 3 lessons, what are they? Our country India. Second, the great Himalayas. Third, the northern plains. Then 12th, means of transportation and our communication system. 12th lesson, means of transportation, and 13th, our communication system. I hope some have joined our classes at right time. Some have not joined. Some have joined late. Not a problem. Oh teacher, you did not teach us this lesson. It is not like that. All the lessons were taught one by one carefully. But in case you have missed the classes also, not a problem. I am going to give you revisions of everything on the blackboard. Only thing is, from tomorrow onwards, you are sitting with your notebook. You listen to me. I am writing everything on the blackboard. I explain you. Then only I am going to give you in writing printed matter, which you are going to copy carefully and learn. Learning part also I am going to do with you. Understood? So this is all about your portion or syllabus. First lesson, our country India. Second, the great Himalayas or the northern mountains we can call. Third, the northern plains, the transportation, means of transportation. Then our communication system. These lessons we are going to take for our exam. Clear? We have question answers, complete the following, name the following, short answers. Whatever I gave you in the notes, everything will be included. Which I am going to give you the model paper now. First I am going to give you English model paper for S7. Then I explain it. Then I am going to give you social studies model paper for S7. Then I am going to explain it. Then this is what we will start for our exam. Then on Sunday onwards I am going to give bit by bit all the revisions. But the thing is, I may not give all. Please refer to your textbook, refer to your notes what you have already written, and please prepare for the exam. Okay, so let us start with our what model paper. Here we stop. Then I will write about the model papers.